Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the Savory Passport, a unique and innovative way to explore the world of cooking. So, let's dive right in and discover what makes the Savory Passport so special. The Savory Passport is a subscription box that brings the world's best spices, herbs, and seasonings straight to your doorstep. Each month, you'll receive a new set of ingredients from a different country, along with a recipe card that will guide you through the process of creating a delicious dish. One of the key benefits of the Savory Passport is that it allows you to explore the culinary traditions of different cultures. Each month, you'll be introduced to a new cuisine, and you'll have the opportunity to learn about the history, culture, and flavors that make it unique. The Savory Passport is also a great way to expand your culinary skills. Each recipe card includes step-by-step instructions, so you'll be able to learn new techniques and improve your cooking abilities. Plus, the ingredients are carefully selected to ensure that you're getting the best quality spices and herbs available. Another great feature of the Savory Passport is that it's incredibly convenient. Each box is packed with everything you need to create a delicious meal, so you don't have to worry about running to the store or searching for hard-to-find ingredients. Plus, the subscription is flexible, so you can cancel or pause it at any time. Of course, the Savory Passport isn't just about the food. It's also a fantastic way to connect with other foodies and share your culinary adventures. The Savory Passport community is a thriving group of people who love to cook, and you'll have the opportunity to share your experiences and connect with others who are passionate about food. So, what are you waiting for? If you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure, head over to our website and sign up for the Savory Passport today. We can't wait to see what delicious dishes you'll create. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the Savory Passport. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!